Welcome to my sewing journey. Today I am working on project boards. Sometimes they're called craft boards and sometimes they are called design boards. This one here is my oldest one and it's getting a little worn. It has a ShamWow that no longer collects water. But what I had done was right sides facing together, sewed all the way around the ShamWow with another piece of fabric. And on the inside turn them to the right side, leaving a big opening and stuffed in cardboard. So not much going on there. That's probably about the easiest one here. This style one, I found some wonderful foam, which I found is great when you're sewing a project where you're going through lots of little pieces. You can pin the pieces there, and the next piece that you put in, you just take off and you can stick your pins in the board, which is great. And the other side is really hard, the hard side of the cardboard, which was just some cardboard that would have gone out to the recyclable bin. Then I glued a few pieces of that together. So that's what's inside of this. Next, I cut 2 pieces of fabric, corduroy, that I had in my stash, the same size, but giving myself just a little on each side. Went around, sewed all the way around, leaving the top open, and then I hemmed it and put Velcro so I could take this off in case it gets stained, dirty, or whatever, and I can wash it. This one here, I used styrofoam in the inside with cardboard. I haven't quite finished this one. And this here is flannel that I found in my stash. And if I can get it turned over without, nope, I'm catching my cord because I have my cell phone plugged in. There we go. And this side here, as you can see, it won't be any turning to the right side. It'll be just sewed all the way around. Now what I would like to do is glue this cutting mat from Dollar Tree onto this so I can flip it over and do some small cuts right at my machine without having to get up. And that's what I'm going to do to this one. But again, very simple. Went all the way around, pinning it, and I'll just hand sew that, or maybe machine sew it. We'll see. All the way around. And on the inside, there's styrofoam and cardboard in there. But as you can see, these are very easy to do. You can go through what you have in your stash and use that. You don't really need to buy any supplies for this. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, and happy sewing.